Hey everyone, Cheoff Geoff here. Welcome to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button. If you like what you're seeing, hit the old thumbs up. Today's recipe is going to be posted on chefgeoff.ca. Alright, so if you want to think like a chef, you gotta let your experiences with global street food to inspire your menu development and take those experiences and bring them home with you. So with that in mind, we're going to make Mexican street corn. It's also known as elote, and so what we're going to do is, traditionally elote is either boiled or grilled corn. It's slathered in mayonnaise, it's covered with cojita cheese and some chili spice. We're going to do a bit of a variation on it, but it's just great. You just pick it up and you just mow down on it, and it's just great for the barbecue and great for the family in the summertime. So let's do this. Okay guys, so I got a spice blend, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna blacken the corn. What I like to, instead of topping the corn with some spices, I would rather blacken it. So we have some Cajun spice, some paprika, a bit of chili, some garlic salt, and just a touch of cayenne pepper. That's the word I was looking for. So I'm just gonna throw this all in here and mix it up. Okay. And we're just going to coat all of our corn with this spice blend. All right, so I got my grill at 400 degrees. I'm just going to get this thing on here. I've got our corn is ready to go with our dusting. And this can take up to 10 to 12, maybe 15 minutes. Drop it down. So while these are grilling, we're going to take a moment, head back to the kitchen, and we're going to make a hot pepper crema. As I was saying before, the elote is served with mayonnaise, but we're just going to take a little bit of a different spin and make that hot pepper crema. So I'll see you in the kitchen. Yeah, we've got a little time while our corn is blackening on the grill, so let's make some hot pepper crema. And this is a really classic component that's going to go with basically anything. It's very versatile condiment. It's about 3 or 4 big tablespoons of sour cream. This is the juice of a whole lime. You really want to get that citrus flavor in there. And we're going to put a couple of shakes of Belgian heat. You can use whatever kind of hot sauce you hang around. I actually tend to make it with sriracha, but it just seemed like the flavor profile would be a little bit off. We'll see how she tastes. See, it pours right off the spoon like that. That's what you're looking for. Okay, let's see how it is. Perfect citrus notes, a little bit of heat. This is gonna go great with the corn. All right, guys, let's build some elote. So what we're gonna do is I've transferred our crema into a squirt bottle, and you'll see why in a moment. I'm just gonna build a little smear right here. And I've already cut one of our corns here. And we're just going to kind of layer it down like so. Stay. Perfect. All right. So we've got, our corn has been nicely caramelized and darkened and everything like that. So we're going to drop these down. First things first, we're just going to put tons of crema just all over. Yeah, there we go. That's one. Just like that. There we go. Stay. Let's be friends. Perfect. And we got 2. Almost spilled beer. We're going to garnish with a little bit of fresh cilantro. Just going to break it up kind of all over the place. Great. This goes all over the place. Oh, it smells so good. I have a bit of chopped up chili peppers, and they're going to go all over. And just a touch of that spice blend, just kind of all over the place. Perfect. Now, a couple of weeks back, I showed you guys how to make cheese from home. So traditionally, this is served with cojita cheese, but with this, we're using the muy caliente queso fresco that I made a few weeks back, and we're just gonna grate this all over the place. So what I did, because it's a soft cheese, I put it in the freezer for about 4 or 5 hours, and this will allow me to just get this cheese all over the place. And this is gonna add a really nice creamy factor, and it has a little bit of heat from the peppers and from the hot sauce that I put in it as well. Oh, down it goes. You were looking so pretty. Stay. Okay, crisis averted. It almost fell over, but we caught it. Our elote is still looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pair this with a really nice craft beer. This is called Train Reaction. It's a Mexican style cerveza. It's gonna go pair really well. It's really crushable, and it's got a bit of lime notes and a bit of sea salt. So we've got our elote. It's been garnished with hot pepper crema, some what is this called? That is called some queso fresco that I made from scratch a few weeks back. And I got my beer. So guys, from my kitchen to yours, bon appetit.